Today I'm doing something a little special. I gotta do a sofa take apart, but this sofa take apart that we're doing right here is garbage. It's a junk removal that I did earlier today. So I'm just taking the opportunity to do a little bit of sofa disassembly here, so you'll see a little bit of the sofa disassembly, how I started off, but then after that I'm just gonna chop it up. That's all I'm gonna do today. First step in taking a sofa apart is you gotta take the legs off. Next step in taking the sofa apart, you gotta take the dust cover off. And basically what the dust cover is this piece down here. You could use this type of tool to remove the staples. Basically what you do is grab it, the staple. Alright, that's what it looks like. You grab the staple, and that's it. But in this case, since this is a garbage throwaway, what I'm going to do is rip it off. This one, guess what? This was going to be a piece of cake to take apart. Why? I'm going to show you right now. Not all sofas are designed this way. In 1 second. Good to have a pair of good scissors. Another good tool to have, universal socket. Why this one came out, I'm going to show you right now. So this is why you take the dust cover off. That way you can see what's underneath it. And look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 screws. So that just takes the arms off of this set, which is great. So this person could have had this sofa taken apart himself. But guess what? Guess I'm gonna have to use pliers. Now that one's all the way in the back, so I might have to just cut it up a little, that way I'm able to reach it. Again, this is garbage, but taking it apart as if I was taking a sofa apart. Okay, but this sofa is not like a traditional sofas that are all put together. This is a modular, so it's made in pieces and then put together. The only thing that's one piece together will be the middle piece, all right? But you're able to take the arms off, which makes it easier to get inside a doorway if you have to get it in. Show you the screw that I'm talking about. There he goes. Once we get this out, this arm comes off. So this arm is off. And now the last step I'm going to do, because this is going to be just garbage. I'm gonna take this piece right here. I'm gonna take it off. So if I was doing this regular sofa take apart and I had to take this off, I would take these off. Of course, this would have to come off. Okay. That way I'm able to get in here. So I'll take these staples off right here. There you go. That way you can see it. I'll take those staples off. There we go. One side is out. So I got the love seat now in 1, 2, okay? This is 3, and that's 4 right there. 4 pieces. And it's able to get into anywhere. Alright, again, this was a garbage piece, but it's just to give you a little idea on how to take a sofa apart. Okay? All you gotta do is rewind the video the other way, backwards, and you'll see it putting it back together. So what you undo is what you put back together. That's basically how you take a sofa apart. There you go, 4 pieces. 4 pieces. And that's how you do a sofa take apart.